This is Shy and Ty, and I'm Andrew, a Lowe's Red Vest associate. I'd love to know, what you got growing in your garden?
So we're growing some herbs and we actually need your help.
Ty and Shy want to renovate their backyard, so I'm here to help them through the process.
Currently, we've sort of designated certain spaces in the yard for certain gardens without any real sort of barrier around them or anything to protect them.
Our doggies love to run around and they don't care what they're stepping on.
Sounds like a garden wall is the move. I could totally help with that.
No more herbs for you!
No more muddy paws.
For those who haven't watched yet, be sure to check out the video of Shy and Ty building their paver walkway. So, here we go. How to build a garden wall, with real customers guided by real Lowe's Red Vest associates. All right, Ty and Shy, what style do you have in mind?
We don't necessarily resonate with the super manicured, like classic yard. Like our spaces definitely has a more natural vibe about it. So when we're choosing our materials, we wanted to pick things that would be able to fit within that vision.
Well, we have options. Let's check out Lowes.com to see what's available.
I love these. Look
Yeah.
at all the different colors.
I know. How about something like this that'll like match our flagstone a little bit?
I dig it. Here are most of the tools that Ty and Shy will need to build a garden wall. And here are most of the materials they'll need for the project. We'll kick things off by marking the layout.
I can't wait to see what this garden wall is gonna look like.
Vinny and Sal are gonna be sad, but we gotta get after it.
Let's do it.
For straight lines, mark the entire bed area with stakes, string, and marking paint. To mark a freeform layout, use a rope or a hose to outline the shape. When you're happy with the layout, use a spade to mark the outline.
All right, outline done. How many stones do you think we're gonna need?
To calculate how many stones you'll need, you can multiply the length and width of the space to get the total area, and divide by the estimated size of the stone. Always add 10% more, just in case.
Thanks, Andrew.
Sure thing. Now that the layout's marked, it's trench time. Remember, before you do any digging, always call 811 to check for underground utilities. Grab your shovel and dig the trench about 4 to 6 inches deep. And dig 12 inches wide, or twice the width of the stone.
Whew, nice work.
Thanks.
Tamp down the dirt with a hand tamper and check it's all level. Next, lay down a layer of landscape fabric in the trench. Cut excess if needed and overlap as you go to fit the curve. Then, add a layer of gravel. Tamp it down to give it a strong foundation. Add a layer of sand, tamp again, and check the level before bringing in the stones.
All right, time for the stones.
Let's get to it.
Are you sure?
1, 2, 3. Lift with your legs.
Nice. There you go.
Lay down your first row, starting at the end with the lowest elevation.
So light.
Set the first stone in place and check its level before placing the next one. Some stones may be smaller than others. Just use a rubber mallet to tap down stones that are too high to bring everything to the same height. Really nice job. To start the second row, you'll have to cut some stones to stagger the joints. Use a chisel and hammer to break off smaller pieces of stone. You guys are doing so well. For these last 2 rows, apply concrete adhesive to set everything in place. Fold the excess landscape fabric back and top it off with extra soil.
A perfect
Oh, yeah.
little babies.
Now bring in any new plants. Add some fun lights. And show us that transformation.
Vinny and Sal probably aren't gonna love the garden wall because it's gonna keep them out.
Sorry, Vinny and Sal, but not sorry.
It's so perfect. I feel like it's just completely elevated our space.
I love that the use of the stones definitely tied in with her pathway.
It's super cohesive. I feel like both projects like fit super well together. Being able to interlock all these natural stones together and kind of puzzle piece from the ground up was like way more achievable than I was thinking it would be.
Congrats, Ty and Shy. Your backyard looks amazing. This was Shy and Ty's backyard before, and this is Shy and Ty's backyard after. And that's how to install a garden wall. Until next time, Shy and Ty.
Thanks, Andrew.
Thank you for watching. Everything you saw in this makeover is from Lowe's and is linked in the description below. Shy and Ty also built a paver walkway in their backyard. Be sure to check out that video too.